Hi, I'm Representative Justin Chenette of Saco with this legislative update. We are in the thick of the session up in Augusta, and there's some of the things that I really want to delve into with you that's really important. Number one, the Opportunity Maine Expansion Bill, which is a bill that I feel very passionately about. It's something I'm co-sponsoring with Representative Nato of Winslow. And essentially what this bill will do is expand the current program that allows Maine students who go to college in Maine to stay here to live, work, and play and get a tax incentive off their student loans. But we want to extend that to more students. So what this expansion would allow is essentially kids that go to a New England-based school because their program doesn't exist in Maine, we want to give them that same ability to afford college and incentive to come back to apply the knowledge that they acquired elsewhere and the skills that they acquired elsewhere right here in Maine, so we can avoid what's commonly referred to as the brain drain scenario. Now, this bill that I'm co-sponsoring has passed both the House and the Senate, and it is awaiting financial approval on the Appropriations Committee. So hopefully we can fund it, which is a small fiscal note because there's existing resources in the Opportunity Maine program, because sadly, actually, not enough kids are using it. So we're trying to get the awareness out there that this is a great program. It's not going to wave the magic wand over the issue of college affordability, but it gets us incrementally towards that idea that every kid should have the ability to be able to afford to go to college or some sort of training program after high school. So that's one particular bill. Another thing is dealing with the Camp Ellis erosion issue. Senator Linda Valentino has really taken leadership on this particular issue, working with the officials at City Hall here in Saco to really try to come up with something as in terms of a comprehensive plan. Now, what this bill does, and it's a bill that I'm co-sponsoring, essentially would help to replenish the sand dunes along the coast in Camp Ellis. So stay tuned for more details as the committee works this bill, and we hope to get it passed both in the House and the Senate, and cross our fingers, signed into law by the governor. Something that you've probably seen in the news a little bit is about religious freedom. This is something that Arizona has been debating, and that governor just vetoed that bill. But we had similar legislation in Maine, and what this religious freedom bill essentially would have done was essentially give a license to legally discriminate on any grounds if you connect it to some religion. And this was a problem for many people because it essentially would allow businesses to discriminate for any reason. And I didn't believe that that was an appropriate avenue, and many Democrats, all Democrats, and many Republicans also agree with that sentiment. So we defeated the Religious Freedom Bill to ensure that our Human Rights Act is upheld and equality and rights are for all of Maine's citizens, not just the small few. So those are some of the things that we have been really working on, or I've been a part of, that I really feel passionately about. The Medicaid expansion is something that we're going to be debating quite soon. This is sort of round two on this debate. Republicans have put forward a proposal that's quite interesting in terms of trying to reduce cost at the same time as providing nearly 70,000 Mainers the opportunity for health care. So this is a situation where hopefully we can bring both sides together on some sort of compromise to reduce costs in our health care industry at the same time as providing equal access and affordable access to health care. So stay tuned. I'm sure you'll hear about it in the news, and I'll keep you updated on my Facebook page, facebook.com/Justin Chenette, as well as my website at justinchenette.com. This has been the latest legislative update. I'm Representative Justin Chenette from House District 134 in Saco. Stay tuned and stay connected.